Amarr's been in business for over 70 years, and we are one of the leading brands from a manufacturing and a design and distribution base. Amarr has a full line of residential and commercial garage doors. We make over 500,000 garage doors a year with our 3 locations in Lawrence, Kansas, Shawnee, Kansas, and Mocksville, North Carolina. We take great pride in our garage doors. They're manufactured with high-quality materials, well-engineered construction, innovative features, and countless design options. Amarr garage doors are made in the USA, 100% compliant with Made in the USA FTC standards. Not only do we want a beautiful Amarr garage door, but we also want it to be highly functional and highly valued.
I like to think of us as an environmentally friendly family. I thought it was so cool when I found out that their products are not only made from recycled material, but they are also recyclable.
So quality for Amarr garage doors starts with the design phase and how we construct our door and making sure we use quality components in manufacturing, as well as testing. And so all of our doors are tested from an application standpoint, meaning how that door is going to be used by a consumer, whether it's a homeowner or an office or a warehouse. So all the testing that we do at Amarr really ensures that the product that a homeowner or a business owner has is the best quality of Amarr garage doors possible. Innovation is our focus, and we continue innovating going forward and trying to find new, creative ways to meet our customers' needs. Today, after 70 years, Amarr has become one of the most trusted brands in residential and commercial garage doors. We recognize and value the contributions of every team member at Amarr, and they really have been the foundation of our success. We continue to evolve to meet the ever-changing demands of our consumers and industry. We are always working for our ultimate goal of helping others feel welcome and safe at home, work, and play.